$620 in less than 1 month from this brand new income stream. Yeah, go ahead and get ready to save this video and listen up because this one is easy peasy, y'all. Also, just in case you have no idea who I am, my name is Bianca Lynch and I show everyday people just like you how you can travel the world without breaking the bank. And I also show everyday people just like you how you can make more money so that you can travel without having to worry about your finances. So, one of the things I love to talk about is having multiple income streams, right? On average, wealthy people have 7 different income streams. I have 10, and I have a video where I walk through all 10 of those, so make sure you go check that out. But even if you only have one right now, that's fine because you're here now, and I'm gonna show you how you can up that because there's so many ways that you can be making money, and there's so many ways you can be making money from your cell phone. Just stay tuned. And I'm really excited about this income stream because I've known about it for a while, but I just kind of started taking it more seriously, and then it just kind of started taking off, and I'm like, okay, let's get it. So I am talking about literally being paid just for your opinions. Just for your opinions. And I'm not even talking about survey apps, y'all. I know I've talked about survey apps before as a side hustle, and survey apps are great, but these types of surveys, studies, whatever you want to call them, are going to pay you way more than most of the survey apps. So let's talk about it. So first, I'm going to explain like how to actually make the money, like what the websites are, and then I'm going to show you what they look like, and I'm going to show you like the emails that I've gotten and like how I have been paid. So there are 2 different websites, and this is literally getting paid for your opinion. So y'all, and as somebody, I've been in marketing for like 10 years, so it's one of those things where like I know it, but so many people do not know how valuable your insights are, your feedback are. I mean, think about how many times someone will say something like, oh, how did you hear about us if you're filling out a survey? Or how many times you'll get an email where somebody wants you to fill something out. Y'all, there are companies that pay millions of dollars a year so they can get your feedback because they want to create better products. They want to know how their website looks. They want to know if something is going to actually sell before they actually launch it. Like, this is a very, very real thing. So you can get paid to participate in these studies. And these studies are not things that you need to study for, no pun intended. You just show up. You just show up and you just give your feedback, y'all. So there's 2 websites. One is called User Interviews. One is called Respondent.io. Now, I have only been selected for User Interviews, but I do still like apply for studies for Respondent, but I haven't gotten any for them yet. Full transparency. But I think I'm about to do my 5th for User Interviews. So let me just talk about my experience so far. So for User Interviews, basically you go on the website and then they show you studies that they need people for. Y'all, these are topics across the board. Some of them are something as simple as we're seeking your opinion on vehicles. We're seeking your opinion on oral care. Some of it is like looking for people who live in Boston, Massachusetts with a dog. It can be speaking or looking for hairstylists, like looking for marketers, looking for business owners. Like y'all, there are topics across the board. So you want to make sure that you're checking the website regularly. So once you apply, and sometimes they might ask you 3 questions, they might ask you 10 questions, but they just ask you about yourself. And then if you qualify, you get an email saying you got approved, you sign up, and then you do whatever the study is. So the first one I did, I made $45 for a 1-hour call, and they wanted to know about a social media management tool that I use, y'all, that I use whenever I used to work in corporate. The second one I did, they wanted to know about email marketing tools that I use right now in my business. I got paid $200 for that. Right now, me and my husband are currently doing one where we're testing out a relationship app. And so it was actually kind of fun. $300, y'all. That one finishes up this week. And then I just got approved for another one for $75. And this is for, they said they're seeking feedback from professionals. I don't know all the details for that one yet, but y'all, that is $620 just for me to talk, just for me to give feedback. Now, hold on. One thing that I do want to know is that you do not always get paid in cash. A lot of these surveys will pay you in gift cards. Y'all, that doesn't bother me. If y'all been following me, you know that I love like affiliate marketing. I got hella affiliates. Some of it is cash money. Some of it is points. Some of it is rewards. I don't care. I'll take it. Like, I'm traveling, y'all. I'm literally out here redeeming for Airbnb gift cards. Me and my husband are paying for Airbnb regardless. Why would I not want a $250, $300 gift card for Airbnb? They have Amazon. They have Visa gift cards. Some of them will pay you via PayPal. I have not done any of the ones that have paid me via PayPal yet, but y'all, even if it's gift cards, it is still money. Whether it is money being deposited into your bank account or whether it is money that's going to end up not coming out of your bank account because you have a gift card. Like, y'all, this is such a simple side hustle that anybody can be doing. It is completely free to sign up. You just need to make sure that you're actually like not researching, but going on the site and actually looking for surveys and making sure that you are applying for things that you qualify for. So, yeah, that's it. I will, if you want my referral, by the way, because y'all know affiliate marketing, you can also refer people and get money. If you want my referral, comment referral below and I will specifically send you my referral links. And also I'm about to show you just really quickly, like what it looks like. So here's what the email looks like. Incentive payment for name of survey, seeking professional feedback for professionals exploring marketing tools. So once you click the link, you see user interviews has sent you $200. You scroll down, you hit redeem $200, and then it takes you to this page where you select your country, and then you have all these different options, y'all. So Visa and Amazon are always hot ones. You can donate to a charity as well. But if you click the view 105 more gift cards options, you see all these different options, y'all. I love redeeming for Airbnb because me and my husband are currently living abroad, and Airbnb gets a lot of our money, so we use that one a lot. But you can also do like restaurants. You can go on cruises. You know, Delta, y'all know I'm all about travel. Hello. Foot Locker, GameStop, Google Play, H&M, Instacart, groceries, Kohl's, Lowe's, Lyft, Nordstrom, Sam's Club, TJ Maxx, Uber Eats, Walmart. Y'all, there's literally so many different gift card options here. So I ended up choosing Visa. So it's going to ask me for like my address, etc. Once I put all of that in, then I get the confirmation saying that my card is activated. You even get like an actual card number and everything. And just to double check, it also sends it to your email. So it's literally that easy. Y'all, this one is easy peasy. Like, go sign up for this. This is such a simple side hustle that anybody can be doing to be earning more income. Like I said, comment the word referral if you want my referral. Also, if you want more ways that you can earn money, then make sure you look into my cash flow come up guide, because I have more than 20 different income streams and side hustles in there that anybody can do. Anybody. There is something in there for you. So let me know if y'all have any questions.